Which AI or machine learning course should you take on Coursera? With so many options, it's easy to get confused and waste time on the wrong course. In this video, I'll show you exactly what to take depending on your level and your goal. If you want to explore these courses, I've linked them below so you can compare and check current offers. Before we start, quick tip. If you plan to take more than one course, Coursera Plus is usually the better option. You can access multiple AI and machine learning programs under one plan and follow a full learning path instead of paying for each course separately. Now, let's break this down. If you're a complete beginner, the best place to start is AI for Everyone by Andrew Ng. This course is highly rated and focuses on understanding AI concepts without coding. It's perfect if you want a simple introduction. Next step is learning actual machine learning. The best option here is the Machine Learning Specialization by Andrew Ng. It has a rating of around 4.9 and is one of the most popular programs on Coursera. This course teaches core concepts like regression, classification, and neural networks using Python. Once you understand the basics, you can move into more advanced topics. If you're interested in deep learning, the Deep Learning Specialization is a strong next step. It has over 100,000 reviews and covers neural networks, computer vision, and sequence models. If you want a more career-focused path, you can choose the IBM AI Developer or AI engineering programs. These focus on practical skills, tools, and real-world applications. And if you're interested in newer trends, courses like Generative AI for Everyone are also worth exploring. Now here's the key strategy. Don't try to take everything at once. Follow a path. Start with fundamentals, move into machine learning, and then specialize. That's how you build real skills. And this is exactly where Coursera Plus becomes very valuable. You can move between beginner, intermediate, and advanced courses without paying for each one separately. But let's keep it real. No course alone will make you an AI expert. You need to practice, build projects, and apply what you learn. So, what should you take? Start with a beginner-friendly course, move into machine learning, and then specialize based on your goal. That's the most efficient path. If you want to explore these courses or check out Coursera Plus, you'll find the links in the description. And if you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple and practical guides like this.